everyone, it's Kaden Weather here. Today we're talking about the severe weather that's going to be going on today. For parts of the Midwest, including the city of Minneapolis and St. Paul. You guys are included in this as enhanced risk that the SBC actually issued not that long ago, just a few minutes ago. They issued that enhanced risk for today. Again, that's for parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin there. So yes, again, an enhanced risk today. Not going to be like yesterday's where we had a moderate risk, but definitely an enhanced risk. So I'm going to be showing you the risk, the tornado risk, which you do have a 5% risk, the hail, the wind. I'm going to show you the future models. I'm going to show you the future K values and the bulk shear all coming up in today's video, so you won't want to miss anything. So stay tuned. So what you're looking at right now, though, is the SBC's risk category. So we do see that we do have a enhanced risk for today, and this enhanced risk does include the city of Minneapolis and St. Paul, right there. So that's a big city including the enhanced risk. So you guys need to be on alert for today. So make sure your phones aren't muted tonight because there could be a tornado warning issued. But I'll get to exactly that tornado risk coming up. But again, enhanced risk today. Winds higher than 60 miles per hour, up to 70 to 80 miles per hour possible in this enhanced risk. This is our slight risk right here, which the SBC originally only had planned. Include parts of Minnesota, Iowa, parts of Wisconsin, and parts of Michigan there, all in that slight risk against wind 40 to 60 miles per hour possible, large hail damaging winds. But yes, that is our risk for today. Again, in one more time, enhanced risk for today. Pretty big severe weather threat chance for today. So now let's go and take a look here at our tornado risk. Again, our tornado risk is really big and widespread too. So again, pretty big tornado risk right here in parts of Minnesota, in Wisconsin there. Minneapolis, St. Paul, you guys are in the dead center of the high tornado risk. You guys need to be on alert for today. Don't mute your phones tonight either. Don't mute your phones tonight because we could definitely see a tornado issue today. Don't mute your phones. So we also have a 2% surrounding that in this area up here, including stretching from all the way to South Dakota, all the way up to parts of Michigan. Sorry, a big widespread 2%. So definitely have a way to get those alerts. Don't mute your phone. Stay weather aware. And if a tornado warning is ever issued for your area, get in your safe spot. Yes, again, very widespread 2% risk and 5% risk, pretty widespread too, and it has included the city of Minneapolis, St. Paul. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at our hail threat. So this is our hail threat. So again, we do have a 30% risk for some hail right here, and definitely have a pretty big chance of seeing some hail surrounding that in this area right here. So again, this whole area right here has a chance for seeing some big hail. So that circle area right there is the biggest chance. Also, we also have 15% risk surrounding that right here for seeing some hail. So definitely move your cars in the garage and stay away from windows because we're going to see some big hail today. Also see this 5% risk for some hail surrounding that. Also, we have another one surrounding it in North Dakota and Montana there. So again, pretty not connected to this, but still another risk of that. Now let's go and take a look here at our wind threat. So this is our wind threat for today. Again, almost just basically the same area here, but almost the same area here that we're seeing for some hail right here. So let me circle this area where I think we're gonna see the worst of the hail. So definitely in this area is we're gonna see the worst of the hail. But we also that's our 30% risk. We also have 15% risk surrounding that right here, basically almost in the same area as the slight risk today is. But the thing is different. We have three more areas that we're looking at here of our 5% risk. We have one right here, and one right here that we're looking at all for our 5% risk. Now, I want to go and show you our future models today. So, let's start off with this. Actually, before I get into the future models, I want to go and show you the population of who is in these storms. So, the enhanced risk has 3,303,000 people in it. The slight risk has 5,546,000 people in it. And the tornado risk, the 5% risk, has 5 million people in it. So yes. Now let's get into our future models here. So let me go ahead and zoom in real quick. So let's start out. This is about 3 o'clock today. It's about 3 o'clock. So again, we already starting to see some storms start to fire up here. Around 3 o'clock today in parts of Michigan. So you're seeing that purple there. This is a really strong storm. But really, this is pretty clear because I'm going to zoom this out just a little bit just so you guys can see this a little bit better. So again, that's still pretty clear because we're going to see some more storms bigger than that. That's just one random storm. See, that just starts to move away, but this is when it really starts to fire up. This is around 8 o'clock tonight. This is about 10 o'clock tonight. We're seeing the storm start to fire up right here. And the one in Wisconsin right now is definitely not strong, but it is a storm. Yeah. And then the one in Wisconsin, starts to fire up. And the one in Minnesota, this was when it starts to go through the Minneapolis, St. Paul metropolitan area here around 8 o'clock tonight to midnight. 11 o'clock to midnight is about the time it's going to go through Minneapolis, St. Paul. It is about right here. So again, definitely going to go through that around that time. And they start to push more eastward. And wow, look at this super strong storm here around 1 a.m. Really strong storm right here in Minnesota here. And then it starts to push through, and it's still very, very strong right here. About 5 o'clock here. Still super strong storms right here in parts of Iowa and Wisconsin there. So still really strong storms. And then they start to go away, and then they're gone after that. But now, since we looked at that, now let's go and take a look here at the CAPE values here. So this is CAPE. So again, it's pretty low right now. This is about 1 o'clock. And then it really just starts to fire up. Again, this is the energy for storms to form. And it really just starts to fire up around 9 o'clock here. Wow, look at these really big CAPE values here. Just start to blow up here around that time here. And take this a little bit further. And then, yeah, and then they start to calm down. But then we're going to still have some storms after that because I just gave all the energy for storms to form. And now the storms are having. And yes, this also gives the energy for instability to happen. And that just gives the energy for more storms to form. But yes, that is the CAPE values for tonight. Now let's go and take a look here at the bulk shear just real quick. So let's wait for this to load up real quick here. So this is bulk shear is another ingredient that we need for severe weather to happen. So this is the bulk shear tonight. So again, we're not seeing really anything until around 5 a.m. here. So again, that is around the time storms form, but we're seeing this really big thing around 4 a.m. here. Really strong CAPE values here. We're also seeing some really strong CAPE values over here in parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin, exactly where we're seeing the possibility for the storms to form. So back us up just a little bit. See what was before that because we're also seeing the storms before that. Yes, you saw those line of storms right before that going through parts of Michigan, and yes, we're seeing those CAPE values there because that CAPE value gave those storms to form. But yes, there's our bulk shear. Now, in the auto video, I'm going to go and show you our supercell composites. So supercells are storms that can produce lots of tornadoes. So how many of those can we see today? So I'm going to time this out. So 1 o'clock, we're not seeing much at all. Then we're starting to see a little bit bigger. But again, this is not a lot, but it's definitely had a possibility for seeing some supercells right here and another one right here. So lots of supercells here possible. And then it starts to fade off. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Again, we do have a enhanced risk for today. But yes, so definitely make sure you stay weather aware and stay safe. Again, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you like weather-related videos, share this with any of your friends. Comment down below if you have any weather questions. I should be able to answer them. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See that red subscribe button right there? Click on that to subscribe. Leave a like, subscribe. Stay safe, stay weather aware. We do have an enhanced risk and a 5% tornado risk. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!